And I actually came across something very interesting. I noticed this hole in the ground. I'm not sure what it's here for. You know, there's a little ladder right there, and then there's like a plank of wood over here. So this was planned out, you know. I think this is where they bury the bodies when you don't actually summit the peak and you just pass out and die on the way up there. They toss your body in here. That's what this thing is for. Hey friends, how's it going? Hey, thank you so much for joining me again on another adventure. And I'm out here back in the volcanic plug valley and just having another adventure, you know, and decided to check out this other peak over here, and it's right there. Isn't that cool? This peak has just really stood out to me whenever I was driving on this road, especially to go summit the other volcanic plugs that I've been doing in the past few weeks. And I would always see it from the road and be like, wow, that looks awesome, you know? I want to go check that out sometime. And the time is now. So here I am. The peak is supposed to be closer to 7,000 feet in elevation. So we'll see how it goes. And right now, I'm actually following a little trail right here. So from what I researched online, it sounds like the northeast side of this plug is the way to go about it. And it's steep, but it's worth it, fun, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. See how that turns out. Okay, so not too far from the peak, right there. Look how glorious and beautiful that is. So that looks like about 150 feet or so. So I can't wait to go ahead and summit it, and it's gonna be awesome. You know, can't wait to see the sights. So it's gonna be very, very cool. But so far so good, you know. A little bit of breeze, it's hot. It's getting warm out here. For sure, you know, I would think in another 2 or 3 hours, it's just gonna be broiling out here. So I have to get going, but I will talk to you guys when we get to the top. What is up? I reached the peak. Victory is in hand, and it is awesome. Look at the views, man. Pretty spectacular. Very, very cool. That was an awesome climb there, the last 100 feet. Ah, man, great workout. Great workout. I mean, just look at this. This was well worth the effort. You know, really awesome. So it took about an hour and a half, you know, from my truck to the peak here. So not bad. But yeah, got this little Victory pillar of rocks right here with the login jar and the register jar, whatever. So I'm going to be putting my information in there. But yeah, these sites are amazing right here, man. Check this out. And this is the rest. This is the other side of the peak over here. I like how it just, you know, snakes all the way to that other peak over there. Probably not going to explore that on foot, just because, you know, I don't want to spend too much time up here because of the heat, so being mindful of that. So I'm just going to relax right here for a bit and catch my breath and be very cool. Guys, all right, so that was a really cool adventure. That was awesome. Beautiful volcanic plug, you know, definitely one of my favorites out here. The top one being Cerro de Guadalupe. This is probably the second one. The last 100 feet was pretty fun, you know, very you know, there's like some light scrambling there towards the top, class 3, you know, nothing too bad. I had to get down quickly, you know, did some flying up there, and then I was like, okay, I gotta get out of here, because I really started to feel the heat. I mean, I still do now, and the sun just heats it up all crazy, and you feel like you're broiling up there. I really did feel like my brain was cooking in my skull, you know, it's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty interesting too, because I came across, on my way up here, came across a baby cow carcass. Kind of sad, you know. Not sure what happened exactly, but there it was. So, I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna blast the air conditioner in my truck, because I'm hot. And I'll probably stop by and get a burger or something. Yeah, man. It's the only way to do it, you know. All right, guys, I'm out of here. See ya.